Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a basic 3-strand braid. I'm excited because while recording this tutorial, I came up with an idea. The idea was to add a different color rubber band to each strand of braid. So instead of referring to them as the left side, the right piece, the middle piece, I'll be referring to them as the colors that's on that particular strand. So the left piece of hair will be referred to as the green strand, the right piece of hair, the blue strand, and the middle piece of hair, the red strand. Step 1. Using your left hand, hold on to the green strand. Using your right hand, hold on to the blue strand. And you'll be using all 5 fingers to hold on to each strand. Step 2. Using your right hand, release your thumb and index finger from holding onto the blue strand and grab onto the red strand. And you're not releasing all of your fingers, only your right thumb and index. So you should still be holding onto the blue strand with your middle, ring, and pinky. Step 3. Now the red and blue strands are going to trade places. So the blue strand is going to go over the red strand, meaning the red strand is going under the blue strand. And you're going to grab the blue strand with your left hand. Grab with your left index and thumb. So now the left hand is holding on to the blue and green strands, and the right hand is holding on to the red strand. Hopefully you're still following along. Now on to step 4. Keep a firm grip on that red strand. Step 4. You're now going to reach over the blue strand and grab the green strand. Remember to grab with your index and thumb. Now, the blue strand is in your left hand and the green and red strands are in your right hand. Step 5. Using your left hand, you're going to reach over the green strand and grab the red strand with your left index and thumb, while pulling that green strand under to the right. Now you're going to continue with this pattern until you get to the end of the braid. Remember, all you're doing is going over the middle and grabbing the strand on the outside. So over the middle, grab that red strand and bring it to the middle. Over that strand, grab the outside strand and bring it to the middle. That's it, all the way down. Make sure to keep a firm grip, and you can also pull on the strands to make sure that they're not being too loose. And now I'm going to be doing another 3-strand braid without the colorful rubber bands this time. And you want to always brush or comb through the section so there's no tangles or knots. You want a smooth finish. Make sure to keep a firm, tight grip on your sections. We do not want our braids or our strands to be loose. We need our braids to be tight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. After this tutorial, I know you're ready for the box braid tutorial, so I'll link it right up here. Bye!